What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to secretly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now, I'm not really going to go into any of the reasons for why you may want to do this. I'm just going to show you how to do it. The first thing I'm going to do here is open up two different browsers side by side, Safari on the left and then Chrome on the right, so that I can be logged into two different YouTube accounts at the exact same time. The next thing I'm going to do is log into my personal YouTube account over here on the left on Safari, and then on the right I am using my YouTube account. Now you can tell that both accounts are different even though the profile pictures at the top are exactly the same, because on the left I can subscribe to the channel, but on the right I can customize it. Alright, so now I'm just going to hit subscribe and then give the page a refresh at the top. You'll see that it went up from 13 to 14. Now if I go over here and do the same thing, refresh the page, you'll see that it also went up to 14. And now I also have a notification at the top that I got a new subscriber. I can see who this person is just by clicking on him right here. Now I'm going to show you how you can subscribe to my channel without me getting this notification. What you're going to want to do is click on your profile picture over here, and then go down to your settings, and then you're going to click on privacy. And then right here where it says keep all my subscriptions private, you're going to want to check that and turn it on. So what this means is that whenever you subscribe to somebody new on YouTube, they will not receive a notification for it, and they will not be able to see you in their list of subscribers. Alright guys, well that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to leave your likes and comments down below. Let me know what you thought about the video and if I should make more videos like this in the future. And if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to the channel. You can even use the method I just laid out here to do that, and I'll see you in the next one.